What are you doing?
Science, Jerry. Science!
What kind of science?
Well, it all started when I noticed some diesel mixed in with my engine oil. It was strange. I then wondered what other crazy things I could mix together. Transmission fluid and oil? Mentos and Diet Coke? Willie Nelson and Snoop Dogg?
You need to calm down.
Sorry.
Look, diesel mixing with your engine oil can happen. Frequent starts, excessive idling, and cold running conditions can lead to moderate fuel dilution problems. LJ, pay attention. This is important. It's only if you see dilution in excess of 2% that you might have a fuel injection problem. A leaking injector will cause poor combustion efficiency and dilution of your oil, and just changing your oil will not fix the problem.
I had an uncle that had a leakage problem.
Really?
Yeah, my aunt wouldn't let him sit on any of the furniture.
You're driving me nuts.